Hello and welcome to our channel for another video. Today we're going to be making refried beans. You can use these beans for a series of recipes. What we're going to be using them for today is pupusas. So we have here some pink Himalayan salt, organic olive oil, about 1/4 of an onion, and 4 cups of cooked red beans. If you want to cook these on your own, we have a video for that. Go ahead and click the link below. It'll take you to that video. So first thing we're going to do is get these beans in a blender and blend them up. So we're going to pour them in here. Also, before we start blending, I just want you to be aware that I do have some of the soup from the beans that we did cook earlier. That way we have a little bit of liquid here just to help the blending process. Alright, we're going to start a medium fire here on the stove. Pan on there. We're going to start pouring some oil, enough to cover the pan here. Alright, that should do it. We're going to wait till the oil gets a little hot and we'll be adding our onions. Alright, the oil looks good. I'm going to go ahead and add my onions. We're going to wait till they brown to take them out. You have the option to leave them in. I'm taking them out for our recipe today. I'm sure you're going to see other recipes here and there that don't really mention onions as much. The reason why I'm doing this and adding it to the oil here is because this is going to give our beans another flavor. Keep in mind, we're using a lot of oil because we're frying the beans. So we're adding this onion first and I'm pulling them out later, but this is only to add a little different element of flavor to the beans. Alright, as you can see, our onions are good to go. That's basically what you're looking for. They're nice and fried. I'm going to take them out, put them on the plate that we have here. Be sure not to get too much oil on the way out. Alright, and we should be good to add our beans now. We're going to be adding some salt here. This is to taste, so it's up to you how much salt you want to add. Be sure to mix it around just to get the oil around everywhere in here. You want to get the beans nice and covered with this oil. Keep in mind, we are frying them. Right, that should be good for now. We're going to put this cover on top and let the beans sit for a little bit. Keep in mind that you want to check on your beans every 5 minutes and stir them. The last thing you want is for them to be sticking to the bottom of the pan and burning up. Alright, we're gonna check on our beans here. It's been about 5-6 minutes at this point. What you're gonna want to do is just lift the lid a little bit. These things are gonna be bubbling. It's still in a liquid form, so we know it's not ready yet, but we want to mix it around. So get your spoon in there, move this around. Keep that lid on. Last thing you want is those beans going everywhere across your kitchen. Like I said, if they're still in the liquid consistency, they're not ready yet. You just want to move it around to be sure they're not burning. Alright, we're going to check on these beans now. I'm going to remove the lid. You can see it's not in a liquid state anymore. At this point, it's pretty solid. Move it around, it looks good. I can tell it needs some more oil, so I'm gonna add it around. All right, that should do it. Now be sure to mix it around at this point. Now, once you can tell that it is not sticking to the pan at all, that's when you know you are good to go. It's gonna be solidified at that point as well. We're getting there. I'm just gonna leave it in here for a bit now. All right, we're gonna turn the flame off here just because we know it's ready, but I'm just gonna show you what that looks like. Look at that, it is not sticking to the pan at all at any point. It is good to go. I can move it around, you see it moves. One piece, solid. We are good to go. I'm gonna take it off the flame here and let it sit for a little bit. As you can see, our beans are ready here. Pull them to the side and they are good to eat. If you just want to get a piece of bread and put these beans in there, oh, that's gonna come out great. We're gonna use them for pupusas though, and if you don't know how to make those, please stay tuned. We have a step-by-step video coming out soon. Again, I'll be posting links in the description below showing you how to cook beans straight from the bag and how to get these to the pupusa. So look forward to those. Also look forward for our videos on curtido and salsa. Those are going to be coming out soon. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. Please let us know how it comes out. We look forward to seeing you in the next one, and please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.